So this is my bike, and it was all under the cover since the last couple of weeks because of the coronavirus pandemic lockdown. And what has happened is I have not been riding the bike, and the battery has gone completely dead. There is no charge left in the battery. This is the battery what I had put, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up the battery, give it to my battery shop and get an overnight charge done so that this battery could come back to life. Not that I plan to ride because there are still restrictions around, but at least it would get the battery to a good decent condition. That's what the plan is. So let's see. I'll just try to open up this whole thing. There are a couple of connections out over here for some of the other accessories and gadgets. Just remove them. Always disconnect the negative first. This is the negative, the black is the negative. When removing the battery, always disconnect the negative first. So this is my ratchet from that particular toolkit, sellotape, and just remove this negative first. And what I'm going to do is on the terminal, just wrap it up this tape on both the terminals so that I can easily safely remove the battery. Keep you posted. And you can gently remove the screw from here. So once you remove this, you can see there is the small nut out over here on which this screw was getting fit. Gently slide out that nut and keep it safe because later on we're going to again reuse this nut. So I'm gently going to push this and take it out from over here. So this nut inside, I've just removed it. Be it very careful so that ensure that doesn't just fall over there inside, otherwise it would just cause a little bit of an issue dismantling and bringing that nut out. So I've just brought this nut outside and keep this terminal aside, and then do the same thing on the positive side. So this wire of this negative of alarm, I'm just putting it aside. I've just put a little bit tape over here, and now going to do this positive dismantling. So I've just removed this. There were 3 positive connections out over here, and I've removed that. I think one was for horn, another for aux light, and another one for my alarm system. Put this tape on the positive terminal, on the negative. Gently I'll get that screw. You see, gently get a pin, and I'm using the another finger to get it out. Not possible to shoot it with one hand. I'll get back to you 1 minute. This screw, you take it out gently and keep it aside. So these are both the screws of the battery terminal. I just pull it out, and using a pin I just pushed it gently and brought it out. Now the battery is free, and just need to pull the battery out. I'll show you a technique. In this case, you have over here a hinge, and you have one over here as a hinge. See my other video of the battery installation where I have installed this 8Ah battery on this Versys 650. It works. If 9Ah is better, see my video on the same channel and get more details about this battery installation. So I'm going to just show you a handy trick. I just had this wire. I put this wire on both the terminals to hook it up, and what you do is, it's a bit difficult with one hand, but I'll just show you. Just pull it out this way, so you get kind of an just easy to pull out this whole battery out. So job done. I'm going to give this battery to the battery shop for this overnight charging. You like this trick? You like this trick, right? Just put that like thing and subscribe thing in on my YouTube channel, and stay posted. Yeah, 2 minute में आता हूँ. So I've removed the battery. Here I am with the mask. Yes, I'm the same guy. Everything good over here. So now I'm going to just take this battery to my battery shop. The tools are packed. The cover, I'm going to put it over here, and maybe they will take one overnight charge for this battery, and then I'll go for a spin. Washing, it's dirty, but then I'm not going to bother it right now. There were a couple of jobs pending on this bike, but all were postponed because of the lockdown, and I hope you all are safe and just take care of yourself. I've been seeing my bike after many days. Yes, so get back to you later. So this is the replacement battery, because the earlier battery had some problem, and it is replaced within warranty at our dear Sohail Bhai's shop. Okay, so I have got the replacement battery, and this is installed now. It was replaced within the warranty period. It's hardly 6 months and the battery seemed to be having some issues, and I've just installed the battery. The bike is a little bit dirty since the lockdown. I haven't been able to ride it since last 2-3 months, and yeah, seems fine. So I'll just pack it up, and now the routine task of checking the air pressure and chain lubes and all that things, because just want to start this bike now, so everything seems to be done.